Hello and welcome to this episode of Al's Garage. Today we're going to be tackling the 1943 Willys MB as it relates to the engine. Now, the engine has good compression, as I've been told, but doesn't need any mechanical machining or rebuild to it, so it's just going to be a mostly cosmetic refresh. We're going to pull the carburetor off, and the primary thing I want to focus in on this is to cover painting our engine accessories. We're going to be pulling those off and getting those painted. We're going to paint the engine, and so this will profile kind of doing a loose detail. Now, again, this is going to be a driver. There are so many things that you can do to this engine to make it look super nice, from fresh, shiny hose clamps, things like that. We aren't going to worry about that on this engine. It'll look nice, but it's not going to be a museum piece or anything like that. So let's get going. We're going to start with a good clean wash of the engine. And what a difference a wash makes. So with the engine pretty much degreased, and let me tell you, it doesn't take long to dry here in Phoenix in the summer. So kind of nice to have that blow dryer effect even at 10 o'clock at night here, where it's still, I think, 101, 102. So anyway, our next step here is to go through. I'm going to pull the radiator, the oil filter reservoir, our generator, carburetor, the pass tube, the air tube here. So all of our parts that essentially are going to be painted black, I'm going to pull those so that we can get those cleaned up and get going with this project. I'll probably also pull the distributor, at least the maybe the plug wires. I'll leave the plugs in so that I can have them painted over when I do the paint on the engine, but I'll obviously mark everything so that I know what goes where. I have completed my sanding on all of the parts. I'll be painting black, so I'm ready to paint. I hung everything, did some taping, got the garage prepped, so we're gonna look real last quick at everything while it's still silver and whatever color it normally was. So we've got the radiator, some horns, which is not original, but they're, you know, aftermarket style horns, generator, starter, fan, air cleaner, and carburetor horn and oil filter. So we've got a few things here and we are gonna get started. All right, so the paint laid down really nice. You can see the air cleaner here. It went really well, actually. I was pretty happy. This is a paint I got from Sherwin-Williams. It's a paint, like a standard automotive paint with your reducer and hardener. Pretty happy, especially about this one. I was able to save the original decal, as you saw. So we've got that. So anyway, I'm going to pull these off. This video is going to cut to after I have everything else painted on the Jeep, so we'll jump there, but otherwise everything here seems pretty nice. Again, I taped everything off, so I'll be able to get those pulled off, get this taken down. You know, even the radiator turned out really well, so pretty happy. I got my little girl here and we are headed to a wedding, so congrats Anthony and Jana. If I look tired in all the pictures, it's because I got 3.5 hours of sleep, so awesome. But anyway, let's cut to after the vehicle is painted. let's get this one out. And that's all we need. We're going to put those over there. 9/16. So now we're going to bring this and make it go real nice and tight, but not too tight because it's brass. Oh, yeah, we don't need to, yeah, you could scratch it. Let's not do that. I know, this guy's nice and tight. We don't need anything there. So that wraps it up as far as our engine accessories are concerned. The other things that I painted but didn't put on yet are going on in other videos, like the radiator and air cleaner, but I thought this was a good process as far as, you know, let's start and go all the way through it. So hopefully we'll get this vehicle running here pretty soon, and then our 1943 Willys MB project will be complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.